Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at asynchronous programming in Flutter and Dart. Asynchronous programming refers to a program's ability to execute different tasks out of the main thread of the operation or at the same time. In languages that have multi-threading capabilities, the program allocates the time-consuming task to a background thread, keeping the main thread unblocked. Flutter code runs an isolate, which is a piece of the machine space, and each isolate has one thread and a private memory. You can create other isolates if asked where isolate was spawned and compute, and this would take care of extremely heavy computational tasks. And these isolates do not share memories and will still be trying to optimize their one. And these isolates usually run an event loop where everything that's supposed to happen and all the events in the application are queued, and the event loops just takes the oldest one, the first task in. Most of the time you will not need more than one isolate. So then what happens when that needs to do something that might take time but is running on the default one isolate? One thing you can do is you can mark your function as async and put the await keyword in front of the function that's time consuming or heavy, and then when the event loop processes this event, it just reads it as okay, to expect something else that's going to come in the event loop, and then when that happens I do this. So the event loop, instead of sitting around waiting for the network request to come and complete or the heavy task to be done, it just continues with the tasks in the queue, and then when the event comes back from the request, it's just added to the queue and it's treated as another event because of the async await keyword. Another main part of asynchronous programming in Dart and Flutter is the concept of futures. If you're coming from JavaScript, futures are promises. So futures are a representation of the result of an asynchronous task. It's an instance of the Dart feature class. It is used to handle operations that take time, like net requests, and then you can get the response from the feature by registering a callback function like init.then method. You can chain multiple .then on it. So feature can have three states. It's uncompleted at the beginning when it's just waiting to be executed, and then it can complete successfully, that is you have your value, or it can complete with an error, that is it gives you an error. The other main part of this is streams. While futures represent a single event or a single task that you're waiting a response on, streams are a continuous or a sequence of events. Streams hold events as they come in like a sync, and then it emits them when you subscribe to it. So streams are two types: single subscription streams, which is the default stream that comes, and then broadcast streams. Single subscription streams cannot remit data more than once, even if you are subscribed and then you resubscribe to it, because single subscription stream prioritizes the idea of passing all the information in the correct sequence to its listen. So this is best for information or data that needs to be received in sequence and cannot be broken up or interrupted. Broadcast streams can re-emit data. On the contrary, single subscription streams can be turned into broadcast streams using the .broadcast method on it, and streams are cancelled automatically if you're using the stream builder. Otherwise, it is highly recommended that you cancel them to avoid memory leaks, though there are some situations that this may not be the case. And the use cases for asynchronous programming in Dart and Flutter is when you're making API calls, when you're reading large files, when you're uploading or downloading data, basically when you're doing network stuff or you have heavy operations. This understanding is a prerequisite to understanding the code that comes up with it, and we're going to look at network requests and how to make HTTP requests in Flutter and Dart using both the HTTP package and the DO package in the coming weeks. So please subscribe and please like the video if you actually found information helpful. It helps the video spread to people who are learning Flutter and Dart, and I'll see you in the next video.